They're all packing in. There they are. The coach arrived, so my friends are all there. So we start putting them in the coach. So we went to Llanrhaeadr in Nantaveli. Rhoi fi mlaen I gael y wobr yma. A dwi'n crigo na fa efo fi I gael gwybod bod fi wedi gael o. Ond gynnau go melys iawn amdani chi. Diolch yn fawr Gwyneth. I kept a book with all the names on, my friends' names on, and this is a book in 1997, January the 29th. That's the first lunch club we had. I was living on my own, and I thought, being living on your own is not a nice thing. You like to mix up with people, and I did, because I met quite a lot of friends, made friends, and it was a great, having so many phone calls to start with, saying I'm coming or I'm not coming to lunch, or what time is it, and how can I can't come without transport. Well, I'll pick you up, isn't it? That's all, you know. I think it's a good thing for the lunch club to get together, because there's quite a lot of people that live on their own, and it brings them out. And I've spoken to them after they've been 2 or 3 times. They said, oh, how nice to come to I'm looking forward to come to the lunch club. I know it's only once a month, but it brings them out, and I feel they've made some friends while they've been coming to the club that they didn't know before, who was living, really some of them didn't know who was living next door to them. Now I'm retired after my 18 years, and I do hope they will still carry on.